It's me, Anke, the course coordinator. I am going to show you Canvas. Some of you may know Canvas and don't need this. It's okay. Some of you would like to know how to navigate in Canvas. And of course, Canvas rooms can look differently. So let's have a look together. Sharing my screen with you. And it is early July, so at the moment, it's quite empty in the Canvas room, but later you'll find a lot. Let's have a quick look. When you go to Home, you always see the most recent announcement up here. And the first one is a welcome message. Ooh, she looks familiar. Here you find a link to the introduction module and the syllabus. Let's have a look at the introduction module together. Underneath the introduction module, you find the welcome letter, information about how does this semester plan work, the semester plan itself, and then some introductions to your teacher, to Zoom, and also to what we expect from you. We also know that sometimes it's hard to transfer from being a teacher to being a student. So we have here only 2 pages for you to read, just to help you switch that focus. Last but not least, a general page from Noor to help you with all your digital and other information. I want to take you back to semester plan. You may download this plan, but printing it is not really smart because it will change quite a lot. The updated plan is always in Canvas. Here you can find the weeks, the times, who is teaching, how do we deliver, synchronous, asynchronous, or group seminar, and what the session will be about, and what are the key materials for you to prepare. Now, you see, for example, here, key material, and you wonder if these are not chapters, but articles, how do I find them? I will help you. Go back to the syllabus. The modules are here. And then under weeks, you find a page for each of the sessions. So for example, let's pretend that this is material, not from books, but an article or a book that's not on the list that I have to copy for you. Then this will be linked to the file that you need to read. All the pages will have a preparation part, an in-class part, and a follow-up or further exploration. So you will see similar pages for all sessions, which clearly state what you need to do before we meet you, what we will focus on when we meet you, and what you should do after we leave you and you work further into the material. So this is an example of what these pages will look like. So underneath the weeks, you find the pages. And because it's early July, they are not here, but I'm hoping by the time you access Canvas, there will be loads more here. I mentioned the syllabus because if you don't know where to go, if you're a bit lost, you can always go to syllabus. Syllabus will show you the link to the introduction module, the link to all the teaching sessions, the synchronous sessions in Zoom, and also a link to the weekly module, at least the beginning. We hope that after week 40, you know where to go. It will also summarize the assignments. And this is the first one. Later on, there will be more. And it can help you to know what is ahead. Let's return to home. And you see not only the weeks and introduction module, but on the right side, there is something called to do. This is a list of everything we publish in Canvas that you should read. It could be an announcement. This time it's an assignment. You see that on the symbol here. So anything that we ask you to do within a certain deadline, a task, an assignment, or something else, we will put under to do automatically. I have given you a very short introduction. Please understand that it takes a bit of time to understand how we communicate with you. It takes a bit of time for us to help you to understand what we can do better. So if you have questions, just ask. If you want to know more, just ask. We meet each other for the first time in the introduction session in week 34. I see you then, or I'll meet you at 9 o'clock on the Wednesday in week 35 on the regular teaching day. Until then,